The final one is a tricky one, and I've only got one decent example of this right now. We're going to take out lines equals true. I'm going to take out this as well, and I'll tell you what that is in a minute. JSON files are becoming more prominent, particularly in SEO. So I think we're going to have to learn how to manipulate JSON data a lot. So we're going to read in this JSON file. I can't show you any other way just now because it's too fickly. And it's got trailing value out of trailing data. Now, this isn't very clear what this is. I don't really know what it is because I'm not the person that created this file and I'm not great at debugging JSON. So what I figured out after Googling this is a website access log, is if I put lines equal true, it ignores that error and allows you to load the file. It doesn't always work, but that's the whole point of getting the error, Googling it and finding your way to the answer. If we look at it, it's loaded it the way we wanted. Now the read JSON function doesn't work the same as CSV and Excel. It doesn't carry the skip lines, I don't think, like that does, because it's reading in a file that's of a completely different structure. And to show you what that T was, if you need to transpose your data, so take it from going this way to this way, you put .t, I think it's capital T, and then you can get it like that, which is not useful in this case, but sometimes you do need to transpose your data. So that's how you read a .json file, and it's pd.read_json, and then just load it in. A lot of the times you won't get errors. I just did with this data set. I'm going to cut that out because we don't need it. And if we draw this, there we go. You can just draw it like that. So there's one more file format that I'm going to do in time, and it's reading it in from Google Sheets. That takes a lot more work, but I've worked on this just now. Then I'm going to do a video specifically for that because I think I've tried some workarounds. It looks like you're going to have to get API keys and things like that. So this is the easy way to read data. Just export everything in CSV or JSON, or even take the Excel sheets and look at them that way. So hopefully this is useful. It would be great if you could subscribe to the page, follow me on Twitter, ask me any questions. I will do my best to answer them for you. Yeah, and if you like the video, like it. Ciao for now.